Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video for you and it's a bi-monthly subscription box and it's the Natural Wellness box, and this is how it looks like. This is how it arrives in the post. So if you're new to the Natural Wellness box and you're curious in finding out a little bit more about it, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this box, then I'll have a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So the Natural Wellness box is a little bit different to my other subscription boxes. Their main aim is to create a box to make you beautiful and healthy from the inside out. They come out bi-monthly and they cost £35. That's free shipping within the UK and it's £9.95 shipping to the rest of Europe. That's for a subscription, but if you just want to take out one box to see what it's like, then that will cost you £37. The contents of the box contains clean beauty skincare and are all cruelty-free and vegan. They also contain health supplements and health snacks as well. If you're curious in seeing what previous boxes have been like, I would add my playlist down below in description as well as links to this box as well. So underneath this video, see show more, click that. That'll bring up description and all links and everything will be listed down there. Oh, and I forgot to say as well, they offer a 6-month subscription for £100 or a 12-month subscription for £200. So I think that's it as far as information goes. This box is kindly gifted to me in exchange for doing a video to show you and to tell you all about it. So I'm really grateful for them for sending it to me because I've been super impressed with the boxes they've sent previously. So I hope you enjoy watching and I'll get on to unboxing it. So inside the box we've got some leaflets here which I'll refer to in a little while, and this is what it looks like. I've had a sneak peek. I haven't actually taken the products out and had a really good look, but yeah, I just opened it. The smell is just gorgeous. I've just opened it up and had a quick look inside. So I'll just show you a quick look first. So I got a little thank you card from the owner, and then I got 2 little leaflets here relating to the products that are inside the box, and then this leaflet here tells you everything about the products and it also gives you the prices as well, so I'm able to tot it up to give you a final value at the end. So the theme for this month is Retreat Collection and it contains 8 products, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. So the first item, it's all wrapped up in pink tissue. And we've got a jar, and this is by Bloomtown, The Meadow. It's a lavender and rose geranium botanical wax candle. So it looks like there. Oh, that sounds lovely. Sounds really lovely. What you'd imagine a candle looks like. Oh, that smells so nice. I'm not keen on rose smells, as you probably know. It's more of a lavender smell. Definitely more of a lavender smell. Oh, that is lovely. That is really nice. We are currently doing up our bedroom, and I've been saying this for months and months, but actually last weekend we plastered it. So this weekend we're going to paint it. Weekend afterwards we're putting a new bed in, so hopefully by Christmas we'll have a nice new bed or bedroom then. I can't wait to put like candles and things in there to make it more homely and more of a relaxing space for me as well. So yeah, that is gorgeous. I really like that. So the recommended retail price of this candle is £14. And it says burn for 1 to 2 hours the first time you light your candle in order to ensure even burning throughout its life. Keep wick trim to avoid smoking, sooting and uneven burning. Keep free of drafts. Never leave your candle unattended while lit. So that's the first item. So next is a product I've already had before and it is gorgeous. It's by the Salt Parlour. It's a rose and shea butter calm and it's a salt and sulfur scrub. And that's what the outer packaging looks like there, but look inside. Oh, it is lovely. It is really nice. But can you see? Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. The only downside for me is that it has got a little bit of a rosy smell going on, but it's not that I hate rose. I don't want to be smelling of rose all throughout the day, so I don't mind using products with rose in it, especially when it's like scrubs and things like that. Obviously I use scrubs in the shower or the bath, so I put perfumes on afterwards anyway. But yeah, it's got quite a strong rosy smell there, but I have used this and it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I've got another one. So this is a 60-gram tin. So for a 200-gram tin, it will cost you £16.95. Dead sea salt, pink Himalayan salt and rose oil, which calms and soothes the skin. You'll be left feeling relaxed and tension-free. This soulful scrubby mix has been perfected with the benefits of deeply moisturising shea butter. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So there's that. Now there's always a snack in the box and we've got chocolate this time, and this is King Monty and it's chocolate for everyone, mini chocolate snacks, 71% Purus Ecuador, 33 grams there. This will cost you £1.49 and it says once you try this chocolate you will definitely want more, and it's vegan plant-based chocolate. I'll have a little nibble now. I managed to get a little bit off the corner without opening it fully. Oh look, see, perfect. That is really, really nice. Really nice. I do prefer milk chocolate, but I do like dark chocolate. This is really nice. Really, really, really tasty and not too strong either. So the percentage for me is just right. So yeah, so there's that. Oh wow, gorgeous bottle, gorgeous bottle. What's this? Wild Sauce Apothecary Detox Bath Soak. Rosemary and Bergamot Bath Soak. Oh, that is lovely. That is really, really nice. Now I've had a few products recently, like salts and things, and they're in pouches, which is fine if I can close them. But I do prefer things like this because I reuse bottles then. But it just looks nice, doesn't it, on the side of your bath there in the bathroom. That is a strong smell. Is it eucalyptus? Did I read that? Proper strong aromatherapy smells. What else is in there? It has got eucalyptus in there. Oh, that is really nice though. That is really, really nice. It's a detox. I wish you could smell it. I wish you could, but no. So it's a detox bath soak. So the recommended retail price for this is £20, and it says to alleviate your bath in ritual, we suggest exfoliating before, lighting your choice of candles, and perhaps applying a face mask if time allows. Add a spoonful of crystals to your bath before gliding in and allowing the blend to wrap around your skin and start its detoxing process. So there's that. Ooh, we got something blue. Saskia's Flower Essence, Breathe Deep, Seek Peace. And this is a combination essence, used by November 2024. So we've got a couple of years to use that. So that's what it looks like there. A gorgeous blue bottle there, really, really pretty. So this will cost you £10, and it says this combination flower essence can help you to let go, feel calm, slow down and stop worrying. It is also useful if you have trouble sleeping. Can be added to your bath as well as taking drops under the tongue. Place 7 drops under the tongue when needed. Not really needed now, but I do suffer from anxiety and stress, so, and problems with sleep as well, but I just want to try it. 7 drops is no problem. It absorbs better when you put it under your tongue, as well as like sprays and things like that, and tablets as well. I take my thyroid medication under my tongue. I just leave it there. So there's that item there. Next we've got something that I'm really, really happy to have because I'm running out of mine. It's Better You Deluxe Vegan Vitamin D Daily Oral Spray. It's a simple and pure vegan formula designed to maintain vitamin D levels. I always do have a vitamin deficiency. Always below the range, always having to like bump it up, do extra sprays. I do need a stronger one of these, but it just means I'll just take a few more sprays. I tend to have 3,000 and I spray that. 1 spray daily, and it contains vitamin D3, which is what you need to combat any vitamin D deficiency. So a lot of people have vitamin D deficiency and they're not aware of it. Some people can get really, really unwell, and it affects, gosh, I can't really tell you what it affects with me because I've got an underactive thyroid, because I have problems with my B12. So they're all like sort of, the symptoms are all sort of connected. But I do know from a friend who had a really, really bad deficiency that she just felt really achy, extremely tired, and it can affect bones. So you need to have your vitamin D tested regularly, or have one of these, or get one of these yourself and have 1 spray a day, especially over the winter months. You tend to get better levels of vitamin D going into your body in the summer because of the sun. You get it through food and things as well. But yeah, if you've got a thyroid problem, if you've got any other vitamin deficiencies or anything like that, if you haven't done so already, I would truly recommend having your vitamin D tested, because that could make a big difference to how you're feeling. If you're feeling not quite yourself, that is. But no, I'm really chuffed to have this because, as I said, I'm running out of mine. So this will cost you £9.95, and it says containing only plant-based vitamin D and coconut oil. This incredible, pure and simple formulation provides optimal nutrition delivery. Press the pump 3 times to get the fluid flowing, and then use once daily. Shake well before every use. So there's that. Next we've got, I'm not sure, I think it's tea. Joe's Tea Co. London's best blend, sweet chamomile, organic chamomile flowers with a sweet and soothing taste, caffeine free. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. She's got 1 little tea bag there. That is really cute, isn't it? Hopefully the camera will pick that up. All the little bits in there. Wow. Oh, it's a nice smell. Really nice smell. To buy a pack of 15 of these, it will cost you £3.95. And it says whole organic chamomile flowers infuse effortlessly into a mug of love that magically melts your cares away. These chamomile flowers are hand-picked and directly traded from traditional ethical farms in Egypt. I'm going to have a look online actually to see where I can get it, and I think that would make quite a nice gift for someone as well. I think they're lovely, really super cute. Hopefully they taste nice as well. Next, I got a product by Green People, and this is a gentle cleanser and makeup remover for all skin types, and there's 30 mils here. So this is a mini size, but to buy the full size it'll cost you £20, and it says organic aloe vera, calendula, shea butter, squalene from olive, jojoba, esters and rose geranium. Gently remove all makeup including waterproof mascara. So that's the last item in the box. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up, and then I'll come back to you. I can't gather all the items up, my hands aren't big enough, so I'll just go through them quickly. So we got a Boomtown candle, got a Wild Sauce bath soak, got a King Monty chocolate bar, we got a Saskia's Flowerescent combination essence, we got a tea bag from Joe's Co, we've got a gentle cleanser makeup remover from Green People, we got a D3 vitamin D spray by Deluxe, and we got a body scrub by the Salt Parlour. I just found these two in the box as well, so I'm not too sure where this spoon comes from. Maybe from the bar soak, that would make sense, wouldn't it? So you just put yeah, a few spoonfuls of that using this spoon, maybe. This is a little sample, and this is from the Green People, and Manuka and Lemon Tea Tree hand cream, and it's hands down the best around, and it's hydrating and 91% organic, so it's just a little like one-time sachet there. So adding it all up, I can only add the items that are full size. There is a few items that are minis, so I haven't included that in the overall value, but the items that I'm able to tot up come to around £56. With the other items, if you worked out their value, obviously it'll be worth a little bit more than that. Theme is Retreat Collection. I think there's an amazing selection. I absolutely love this box. We've got the tea, the chocolate, the candle, the soaks, the scrub, the sprays. I think it's a really, really good mix. Yes, this box is a little pricier compared to other subscription boxes, but it's bi-monthly, so for £35, if you're really into natural, cruelty-free vegan skincare and you're interested in your in-health benefits as well, then I definitely recommend checking this box out. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to it? Have you had this box yet? What's your thoughts on the theme? Do you think it's good value for money, and will you be using all the products inside? Or if you're not subscribed, does this box interest you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.